So we're learning, oh, what a beautiful morning. We're in the key of G, and we've got some really cool jazzy chords in this arrangement. It's a waltz, and at the end of each verse, we're doing a measure of B minor 7, B flat minor 7, A minor 7, and D7. So you may want to woodshed those. B minor 7, 1, 2, 3, then just slide to the first fret. B flat minor 7, A minor 7, no fingers, and D7. Let's do that again. B minor 7, B flat minor 7, A minor 7, D7. The other tricky chord is a G diminished. It looks like G dim, but it's a G diminished. And it's right here, it's in the first fret. My suggested fingering is the index in the middle, because the following chord, we just slide right up to a G. So when we're considering fingering, we want to look at the chord before the chord in question and the chord that comes afterwards to find the most efficient way to make those transitions. All right, we're doing this nice and slow, waltz, 2, 3. That's nice and slow. We're at 80 beats per minute, about a resting pulse. Oh, 1, 2, 3, G. And I'm just strumming down, up, down, up, down, up, A minor 7. There's a bright golden haze on the meadow. There's a bright golden haze on the meadow. The corn is as high as an elephant's eye, and it looks like it's climbing clear up to the sky. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. I've got a wonderful feeling. Everything's going my way. Now, verse 2. All the cattle are standing like statues. All the cattle are standing like statues. They don't turn their heads as they see me ride by, but a little brown maverick is winking her eye. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. I've got a wonderful feeling. Everything's going my way. All the sounds of the earth are like music. All the sounds of the earth are like music. The breeze breeze is so busy, it don't miss a tree, and that old weeping willow is laughing at me. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. I've got a wonderful feeling. Everything's going my way. Oh, what a beautiful